quite a bird to start our day off.
Yes.
I have it in the scope, and we'll continue to look at different angles of this particular bird.
Show it on there.
It's in a really great angle here. But you can see the false black eye spots.
I'm recording.
And fine focus is
She is black blind eye spot in the back.
so we don't want to go closer right now.
There we go.
Right.